you to Pete the cat, a fun little cat you might know, who was so excited to go to school, rocking in his school shoes. All right, here we go. Pete the cat, rocking in my school shoes. Woo, there's his school bus. Okay. There's Pete the cat getting ready for school in his shoes. Notice how he's wearing tennis shoes when you come to school. That's what you need because we keep ourselves very busy. Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking his red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. You ready? Sing with me. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Woo, I'm rocking in my school shoes. Well, he's a happy cat. Pete is sitting now at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down the hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Where do you think he's going to look for books that are all around? You're right. How many of you, thumbs up if you were thinking of the library? After we read this story, we're going to talk about the library down the hallway. The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his songs. Are you ready? Let's sing loud. Sing with me. I'm reading in my school shoes. Woo! I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Do you have your shoes on today? Oh yeah, look at that, Pete's lunch. Check out Pete. He is ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Where do you think he is? When he's eating, you're probably going to eat at your kitchen table or sometimes outside at a picnic table. But at school, you eat in a cafeteria. We'll show you the cafeteria later. The lunchroom cafeteria is called. It can be loud and busy in that lunchroom. Ooh, does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and he sings his song. All right, let's sing. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Woohoo! Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Oh, you might have guessed, at the playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. Ready? Let's sing. I'm playing in my school shoes. Woo! I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. And every day we get to play. You can play outside, you play with your family, you play board games. It'll be lots of fun. Sometimes you go to the park to play on the swings. Okay? All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. Ooh, and then he says, I'm painting in my school shoes. And we're going to paint too this year. I'm adding numbers in my school shoes. Ooh, I'm writing my school in my school shoes. Look at all the letters and the words you can write. Just all of them. When school is done, Pete rides the bus back home. And Pete's mom asked him, what did you do at school today? And Pete says, and you could pretend you're on the bus. What do you think he's going to say? He said, okay, he says, I'm rocking in my school shoes. That's right, I'm rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll have school again and learn some more things, okay? So much fun because it's all good. All right, it's all good. All righty, so I can't wait to show you around the school.